Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect PayPal to Beacons. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate directly to your Beacons page dashboard. You will need to be logged into your Beacons account to access the necessary settings. This integration is essential for creators and businesses looking to streamline their payment collection. It empowers your audience to support you effortlessly, boosting your potential for growth and engagement. Once you are logged into your Beacons dashboard, look for the navigation menu usually positioned on the left side of your screen. Locate and click on Settings. Within the settings, you will then find an option labeled Monetization or Payments. Clicking this will bring you to the page where you manage all your income sources and various payout methods. This is your central hub for financial configurations on Beacons. Now, on the Monetization or Payments page, you will typically observe a list of available payment methods. Find the option clearly labeled Connect PayPal and proceed to click on it. This action signals to Beacons that you wish to link your PayPal account. You will then see a prompt indicating that you are about to be securely redirected to the official PayPal website to complete the authorization steps. This is a standard and secure procedure. Upon redirection, you will arrive at the official PayPal login screen. Please enter your PayPal email address and password to securely log into your account. Once logged in, PayPal will display a page detailing the specific permissions Beacons is requesting, such as processing payments. Carefully review these permissions to ensure you are comfortable. Then, grant access to allow the seamless integration with your Beacons page.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.